Model, 1989 Talbot Express PILOTE 1300 G 2.5 diesel camper motorhome 61k miles. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 61,614. Engine, 2,498 cc diesel. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Sometimes starter motor won't engage, will need starter motor replacing at some point. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.